it is PENGUINMAX00 here in a new, grinder. I'm just gonna tell you that, I'm gonna tell the other guys that I'm filming. So basically, this is the Enderman grinder. I've gotten so many things from this. It's scary, though. It looks like NM just said hi. I want to get enough ender pearls because I'm gonna remake my skin, I think, to return it into my original skin, the Enderman Hunter. And I want to be a freaking boss. Because I'm gonna have a little bit of a scary look in my hand. How are they up there? Okay, I'm out of here. I'm just gonna get the XP, and I'm gonna figure out how to get out of here. How do I get out of here? How do I leave? That's weird. I'm just gonna call NM, because I want to get out. Yeah, I'm done. Dude, I've been getting pwned by Endermans for a little bit. Whoa, he just lost his stuff. Okay. I just need to do +1 if I want to get up then. But I just want to do this a little bit more before I go. Because killing Endermans are awesome, and look how many Ender Pearls I've gotten, and I'm stocking up, because I'm going to go on a bigger adventure, coming soon, actually. It's when, basically, I will go with a couple of my friends. Like, that means, you know, NM and Carson. I haven't talked to them about this yet, but, I will try to get them to want to do this. We're gonna try to, go out on our own and start a successful settlement. Like, we already did, but, you know, we're just not gonna go back to our normal house for a little bit. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah. If you can hear it now, like, sorry, I had my headphones in, so, for S1. I'm just gonna go back home. I'll just do home. Alright then. Welcome home, PENGUINMAX00. Alright. I'm gonna stock up. Whoa, how did I lose that? Wool, I don't need. Cobblestone, I do not need. Gold ore, do not need. There's stuff, except for this. And that, I need. What is your favorite mob? That is going to be one of the polls that we're going to be doing. This is actually going to be our first poll, to be exact. What is your favorite mob? Mine is an Enderman, because, duh, it's like Slenderman, but it's black and stuff like that. It's really awesome. Like, you can teleport around, not like Slenderman. He just stalks you and tries to kill you. Just like Enderman, but they're much different. Okay. Can you see? No, you could not. I'm sorry about that. Okay, now you can. Sorry, if you can see my weapons, I'm sorry about that. Yeah. Still new to this. I'm still filming with my iPad. Oh yeah, the mess hall. My favorite part of our little settlement. Like, just so you know, that new series that we're thinking about, that channel, like I said, just like a few minutes ago about, trying to start a successful settlement just by hand and stuff like that. It might come out, it might not, like, you never know. So, yeah. Whoa, okay, not you again. Oh, you want a hug? Oh, looks like you didn't want a hug. No one wants to hug him, so that's why you must have asked for a hug. What is there? Oh. Ooh, did I just see what I thought I saw? No, I did not. I thought I just saw redstone. Oh man, this would not be good if I fell in. No, don't fall down low! Oh, I'm safe. We will try to get back into the Aether adventure soon. I had to quit it for, like, I'm still a little bit ticked at it because it lagged. Because it officially did destroy my world. I had to restart. It was so annoying. I did not like, I was mad at it, so I didn't want to get back on. I wanted to call myself instead of almost going on a rampage. I made a clock by myself. What the? Did that just... Whoa! Did that thing just lag? That's awesome! That is so cool! Did somebody say it? Yes, it did. Let me show you how the ender pearls work. If you do not know already, they will hurt you once you teleport, so watch. What the? Come on. Oh. Well, now it works. See, I teleported twice. Well, twice with lag, once with no lag. Alright. Time for me to go show you something. Something amazing, I think. Warp. Gallow throne. I was actually one of the guys who started this. It's not my. It wasn't my official creation. It was actually This is actually Falcon's creation. So, yeah. So here it is. I made this. It was awesome. Carson made this. I think it's epic. We haven't been here in a while, so yeah. I'm not sure who else built the rest of these, so let me see. Hunter upgrades plot. Let's go check inside. Whoa. Wow. You should have got accepted. This is awesome. I'll show you Aggressor 7's plot. There it is. Aggressor 7 is one of the operators of the server. He creates mostly like, I think mostly, what's it again? Oh yeah, flying machines. Like, basically he makes planes, spaceships, you name it. I'm gonna go warp Megacraft. like I've shown you this before, I'm just going to give you a quick tour again. So this is basically my house. You can tour it if you want. I go through my leg. Here is basically my kitchen. Here is my library. I should have put that in my head because yeah. Well, I should have this in my head. It's my little game station area. If my computer did not lag when I put up a picture, then I would be able to do that super fast. Alright. I made the enchanting table. It was extremely hard to make. Took hours. I made the Tobuscus skin. Yeah, Tobuscus is awesome. I also made the eggs. Well, actually, one of the eggs from An Egg's Guide to Minecraft, and it will also from the YouTube series Element Animations. I made Jason. It was hard to make him. Well, I couldn't get the correct egg shape, so I had to make it flat. And Bacon made Dan. Yeah, check out their YouTube channels. I made those guys, like I've shown you in a couple of my things. You just got trolled again. Bacon made Nyan Cat. Falcon7 made Neff, if anyone knows about it. Falcon7 made Kirby. Also, he made this, which is really cool. It's a pistol or revolver, I'm not sure. See, it shoots. There's the Instagram app picture. Not sure what that was. There's a bomb. Yeah. I'm gonna see what people have made since I've been gone. Oh, this is nice. This is my favorite so far. Seriously, that is so cool. Whoever made that, I am giving them a prize. Most likely it was Coco Matt. So he gets a prize. Like, our YouTube channels are subscribers to each other, and also we are sponsors. So yeah. Here are the hotels. I made this one, this smaller one. Bacon made this, which I think is really awesome. Here it is, the hotel. Now I'll show you Mega Skyblock. We made this, and we were hoping to get it onto an actual block, well, an actual realm, but there was actually already something like that. It was called Sky 5. It's really cool. I live there. It's awesome. But yeah, we were gonna make it so you can mine stuff and it would regenerate. So, well, that's what I thought we could do it. Yeah. And so here's the stairs. It's so hard to tell where you are at night. If you want to see some of my first creations, fine. So warp, Megacraft again. So basically, I made most of the first stuff, like Creeper Face, my skin, well, my original skin, block of dirt, that tree that fell over. I just wanted to do that for fun. An Enderman, a normal villager house, so, sort of. That sword. And also I built this with Minecraft Dude CM. When I first got on, it was the original Ender Castle, really famous. Also, I made this. It's a TNT launcher. You're supposed to put back the TNT, but I don't know. Yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll have more videos soon, like probably in a few minutes or something like that. Yeah, it's gonna be a busy day, so you're gonna see a lot of videos come up. We will bring out with more videos soon, and Yeah, peace off.